So my today's motto is to go to Kala Kund, Choral, those areas, and explore a little bit there. So for that I'll be starting my journey, taking bus to Indore, and from there either I'll take a train which is at 9:40 I guess, and I'll reach Dr. Ambedkar Nagar at around 11:30 I guess, and then from there I'll take either bus or train again, I don't know. It's very unplanned journey, but let's see. First of all, let us reach Indore first. Okay, so for that I'll take a bus first. So I'm going to Nanakheda bus stand, which is very near to my colony. Wow, everything looks so fresh because of the rain. I hope rain doesn't come though. Okay. Hey, can I do hitchhiking? I don't know. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe I will not, because I'm a little shy of that. Oh man. Okay, let's so I'll talk to you guys when I'll get the bus. When I get on boarded, I'll show you how it goes. All right then. So I got the bus actually, like it's already standing there. So you will get frequent buses from here to Indore. You don't have to worry about like timing, wet timing, at what time to do. So great, right? All right, let's see. To get the seats, I guess I'll get the seat. Yeah. Omkareshwar. Okay.
नहीं बैठ जाओ, चलो आप आओगे। आप बैठो तो मेरे को समझ में जाए कौन खड़ा है।
ये सीट है।
कहाँ जाओगे?
एक
कहाँ जाओगे?
ओमकारेश्वर।
चलो चलेंगे। जी आपको पाँव अंदर निकालो तो।
वाह, ओमकारेश्वर।
गोलुबिया और ये बना गई थी पहले, उसके बाद लगाई थी तीन गाड़ी उनके आगे है, ये वाली बीच में है, ये वाली के बाद उनमें लगाई थी, उनकी छह वाली के बीच में डीके बना गई। हाँ, छह वाली के बीच में डीके बना गई, ये भी लगी थी, गोलुबिया की भी लगी थी, लेकिन उसने आगे बढ़ा के लाके गाड़ी को हुई, मगर वो आए थे घोटू भैया
exactly I am right now. What is the name of this place? I don't know. But it has been like around 2 hours journey for me on the way to Omkareshwar. So like we have taken like a 10-minute halt, and it will take another maybe 1.5 hours to reach Omkareshwar. भैया जगह का नाम क्या है? Choral. Okay. So we have a restaurant here, like I know it's veg. I guess it's veg only. Let's see. Great, man. So this is maybe I'll have poha and command maybe. But I also want to have this color. Maybe I'll have that too. Let's see what I'll have.